Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Cash App account deactivation guide. So before you deactivate your account, make sure you have transferred all your money out of Cash App. You can do this by sending it to your bank account or to another user. Also cancel any active subscriptions, boosts or linked services that use your cash card. Once your balance is cleared and everything is disconnected, open Cash App and tap your profile icon on the top right. Scroll all the way down and look for support option. Tap support, then search and scroll to find account settings. Inside that menu, choose close your Cash App account. Cash App will show you a few warnings to make sure your balance is zero and your account activity is complete. If everything looks good, tap Confirm Closing Account. You will receive a confirmation email or SMS letting you know your account has been closed. Once it's activated, you won't be able to send or receive money, use your cash card, or access any account history. If you ever want to come back, you will need to create a brand new account using a different phone number or email since old data won't be restored. So be careful about it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel and ring the bell if you want to get notified about every video what gets uploaded on our channel. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself.